Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Digital readouts, DROs, have revolutionized precision measurement in various industries, offering accuracy, efficiency, and convenience in tasks ranging from machining to metrology. These sophisticated electronic devices provide real-time, digital displays of linear or angular measurements, enabling operators to achieve precise control and consistency in their processes. From enhancing productivity on the shop floor to facilitating intricate measurements in laboratories, digital readouts have become indispensable tools in modern manufacturing, engineering, and scientific research. As technology advances, DRO systems continue to evolve, offering improved features, enhanced usability, and seamless integration with other equipment. In this ever-expanding landscape of digital readout solutions, selecting the right system tailored to specific needs is crucial. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 digital readout systems renowned for their performance, reliability, and versatility across diverse applications. Number 5. HYMSEANN SNS2V Digital Readout. The HYMSEANN SNS2V Digital Readout is a versatile and reliable addition to any lathe, milling machine, drill, or CNC setup. With its robust construction and precise measurements, it offers users a seamless experience in their machining operations. One of the standout features of this digital readout is its wide voltage range, accommodating various power specifications, ranging from 110V to 240V at 50 to 60 Hz. This flexibility ensures compatibility with different setups, eliminating any concerns about power compatibility. Number 4. HYMSEANN Sino SDS63V Digital Readout. As an enthusiast of precision machining, I recently had the pleasure of trying out the HYMSEANN Sino SDS63V Digital Readout on my milling machine. This comprehensive 3-axis DRO kit promises accuracy and efficiency, and I'm pleased to say it delivers on both fronts. First and foremost, the setup was a breeze. With clear instructions provided in the user manual, I had the display mounted and connected to my machine in no time. The inclusion of accessories like the display cover and mounting bracket ensured a seamless installation process. Number 3. YQLILGEN YH800 Digital Readout. First and foremost, the multi-language LCD display is a standout feature. With support for 11 languages including English, Polish, Hungarian, Russian, Ukrainian, Thai, Italian, Portuguese, German, Greek, and Romanian, it ensures accessibility for users from various linguistic backgrounds, making it a versatile option for a global market. The build quality of the YH800 is exceptional. The durable construction instills confidence in its reliability and longevity. Moreover, the inclusion of a 10-year warranty underscores the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction and product quality. Number 2. YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V Digital Readout. The YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V Digital Readout is a comprehensive solution for enhancing precision and accuracy in various machining operations. With its advanced features and reliable performance, this digital readout system proves to be a valuable addition to any mill, lathe, drilling, or cutting machine setup. One of the standout features of the YQLILGEN Metal SDS63V Digital Readout is its versatility. Designed to accommodate a wide range of travel lengths from 120mm to 1020mm, it offers flexibility to suit different machine configurations and working environments. Whether you're working on smaller projects or larger scale applications, this digital readout system can adapt to meet your needs. Number 1. YQLILGEN YHSINO SDS3MS Digital Readout. As an avid machinist, I've had my fair share of experiences with digital readout systems, but the YQLILGEN YHSINO SDS3MS has truly left a lasting impression on me. From its impeccable performance to its robust build quality, this DRO system stands out among its competitors. First and foremost, let's talk about accuracy. With a linear scale resolution of 5U, 0.005mm, this digital readout ensures precise measurements, allowing me to execute my machining tasks with unparalleled precision. Whether I'm working on a milling, lathe, drilling, or cutting machine, I can rely on the YHSINO SDS3MS to deliver accurate readings consistently. Thanks for watching this video.